What's up, guys? Time to talk about one of my favorite patterns, the Megaphone Pattern. All right, so the first thing you need to do is get yourself a stock chart. I'm taking a look at FedEx today. For this example, we're going to look at the 5-minute chart. All right, so you want to try to locate these things and start drawing your angular supports like that. Next, you want to right-click your trend line and extend to the right. Now you've got future angular support. Now go back, do the same thing on the top side. Click, and right click. Click again. If it doesn't work, click again. All right, so a megaphone kind of looks like an inverse falling wedge, but check it out. Majority of price action contained. This is showing increasing volatility. This gives you buy and sell signals. And when price fails to touch that upper megaphone resistance level, you know it's coming back down to support. And when this megaphone breaks, I'll be there to short it. What's up, guys? Dan with the Bullish Bears here. If this video left you feeling a little bit smarter about trading, then pass that knowledge on to somebody else. The best way to do that is like, comment, follow, and share.